2025 has unlocked a new era of smart living. AI gadgets so advanced, they'll leave you questioning reality itself. From self-thinking robots to futuristic home tech, these inventions will completely blow your mind. Stay tuned and make sure to share your thoughts in the comments. SwitchBot K20 Pro. The SwitchBot K20 Pro isn't just a cleaning robot, it's a full-on smart home assistant on wheels. Built with laser-precise mapping and obstacle avoidance, it handles vacuuming like a champ. But here's the shocker. Thanks to its claw-lock modular system, it can carry items, purify air, or even patrol your home with a security camera. With seamless voice control and automation, this futuristic bot doesn't just clean, it evolves into whatever your smart home needs. TRMNLX. The TRMNLX is a smart display built for the future. Minimalist, powerful, and practically indestructible. Its 10.3-inch e-ink screen delivers crisp clarity with ultra-low power consumption, lasting months on a single charge. Waterproof, dustproof, and fully open source, it supports plugins for weather, calendars, YouTube, Reddit, and more. With gesture controls and endless customization, TRMNLX isn't just a display. It's a distraction-free command center for your smart home that feels like it came from tomorrow. Accara Panel Hub S1 Plus. The Accara Panel Hub S1 Plus is the ultimate all-in-one smart home control center. With its sleek 6.9-inch touchscreen, it combines switching, automation, and hub functions into one futuristic device. It controls lighting, blinds, climate, and appliances while supporting Zigbee 3.0, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Matter for seamless integration. With power monitoring, camera streaming, and motion-activated display, it's not just a panel. It's the brain of your smart home, designed to replace clutter with pure intelligence. Segue Navamau X3 series. The Segue Navamau X3 series is no ordinary lawnmower. It's a self-driving beast for your backyard. Covering up to 2.5 acres, it uses an advanced EFLS 3.0 navigation system that combines RTK, VSLAM, and AI vision for razor-sharp precision. Its cameras detect over 200 obstacles, from pets to garden furniture, ensuring safe, flawless mowing. With weather-adaptive scheduling, GPS anti-theft, and voice control, this robot doesn't just cut grass, it delivers professional landscaping with zero effort. Dyson HushJet. The Dyson HushJet is an air purifier designed like nothing you've seen before, quiet, powerful, and futuristic. Inspired by jet engine tech, its unique nozzle blasts purified air efficiently while staying whisper quiet, as low as 24 decibels. Using a 360-degree HEPA filter and activated carbon, it traps 99.97% of particles, gases, and odors. With app control, auto-sensing, and a 5-year filter lifespan, the HushJet isn't just clean air, it's a revolution in silent purification. Dream CyberX. The Dream CyberX is the first robot vacuum that laughs at stairs. Equipped with its bionic quad-track system, it can climb or descend steps up to 25 centimeters, unlocking true multi-floor cleaning. Triple braking protection and durable rubber tracks keep it safe on any surface, while AI-powered 3D vision maps every step with insane accuracy. Powered by dual high-capacity batteries, this futuristic bot doesn't just clean floors, it conquers levels your old vac could never reach. Dream Matrix 10 Ultra. The Dream Matrix 10 Ultra is the ultimate robot cleaner, built with futuristic automation that feels unreal. Its multi-mop switching dock changes mop pads automatically for kitchens, bathrooms, and living rooms, preventing cross-contamination like magic. With up to 30,000 Pascal suction, dual anti-tangle brushes, and 3 DAI obstacle avoidance, it tackles dirt with insane precision. Add in near-boiling water mop washing and fast dry airflow, and you've got a robot that doesn't just clean, it runs your home like a pro. Gubby TV Backlight 3 Pro. The Gubby TV Backlight 3 Pro is not just an accessory, it's a game changer for home entertainment. With its HDR triple camera system, it captures every shadow, highlight, and color shift with insane accuracy. The upgraded micro LED strip packs 30% more brightness, delivering jaw-dropping gradients and cinematic immersion. AI-powered filters even adapt lighting to your content, turning any movie night into a futuristic experience. Compatible with Alexa, Google Home, and Matter, it's the smartest upgrade your TV has ever seen. Roborock Qrevo CurvX. Meet the Roborock Qrevo CurvX, the robot cleaner that feels straight out of the future. With a mind-blowing 22,000 Pascal suction power and dual spinning mops applying real pressure, it scrubs floors like a pro. Its dock cleans mops with 80 degrees Celsius hot water, dries them, and even empties dust automatically. No effort needed. Slim enough to glide under furniture and smart enough to dodge obstacles with AI vision, this robot doesn't just clean, it redefines home hygiene forever. Withings Omnia. The Withings Omnia isn't just a mirror, it's a futuristic health dashboard that stares back at you. Imagine checking your reflection while instantly seeing your heart rate, vascular age, ECG, and even sleep quality displayed right on the glass. Its smart-based scans body composition, lung performance, and more, while an AI voice companion motivates and guides you in real time. With planned telehealth integration, this isn't just a mirror, it's the future of personalized wellness at home. Moyore Gen 2. The Moyore Gen 2 takes smart home control to a whole new level without looking like tech at all. Crafted from real wood with a display that disappears when not in use, it blends naturally into your home. With Matter, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth support, it controls lights, locks, blinds, and more. Its touch-on-wood system lets you trigger scenes with a simple tap, while family messages and eco-energy insights softly appear. Minimalist, elegant, and futuristic, this is smart living redefined. Hisense L9Q Laser TV. The Hisense L9Q Laser TV turns your living room into a full-blown cinema. Powered by a trichroma triple laser engine, it covers over 110% of the BT 2020 color space, producing jaw-dropping visuals with up to 5,000 lumens brightness. Its ultra-short throw design projects up to 150 inches from just inches away, while Dolby Atmos sound makes every scene immersive. Running on Google TV with Wi-Fi 6E and HDMI 2.1, this isn't just a projector, it's the future of home theaters. LV Rise Baby Bouncer. The LV Rise Baby Bouncer is every modern parent's dream, combining a soothing bouncer and a safe bassinet in one smart design. With Sooth Loop technology, it records and repeats a parent's natural bounce rhythm, keeping babies calm like never before. Switching to bassinet mode is seamless, with breathable mesh sides and safe sleep standards built in. Portable, cordless, and rechargeable, it's not just a baby seat, it's a next-gen parenting solution that redefines comfort and care for little ones. Robotics Alex. The Robotics Alex isn't just a robot arm, It's a lifelike humanoid platform built to mimic human touch and strength. With a highly advanced robotic hand boasting 15 degrees of freedom, it can perform delicate tasks or lift over 30 kilograms with ease. Ultra-low friction joints and gravity compensation give it fluid, human-like motion, while modular parts make it endlessly adaptable. Alex isn't just robotics. It's a glimpse into a future where machines move and react like us. Ninja Fireside 360. The Ninja Fireside 360 isn't your average fire pit. It's a next-gen outdoor heater with insane power. Delivering up to 80,000 BTUs of heat in full 360 degrees, it eliminates cold spots while its smokeless tech keeps gatherings clean and comfortable. With dual dials, you control flame and heat independently, creating the perfect vibe for any occasion. Built tough for all-weather durability, this futuristic pit turns every outdoor hangout into a stylish, cozy, and high-tech experience. From AI-powered vacuums to futuristic laser TVS, these inventions prove the future of smart homes is already here. But this is just the beginning. What's coming next will blow your mind even more. Comment below which gadget shocked you the most, and don't forget to subscribe for the next wave of future tech.